Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by reading the label. Alpha Brain typically recommends 2 capsules in the morning with food, not on an empty stomach. Take them with 8-12 ounces of water and avoid taking more than 4 capsules in 24 hours or exceeding label directions. Expect the supplements to begin working in 30-45 minutes, with peak effects around 2-3 hours. Plan demanding tasks after that window. If you accidentally miss a dose, skip it and resume your next scheduled morning dose. Do not double up to compensate. For safety, avoid mixing Alpha Brain with alcohol, high-dose caffeine, or other stimulant supplements. These combinations can increase jitteriness or heart rate. If you are pregnant, nursing under 18, or taking prescription medications, consult your physician before starting. That includes MAO inhibitors, blood thinners, and psychiatric drugs. Store the bottle at room temperature, away from heat and humidity, and keep the child-resistant cap closed. If you experience adverse effects such as racing heart, severe headache, or allergic reaction, stop use immediately and seek medical advice. To evaluate effectiveness, keep a daily log tracking mood, focus, productivity, sleep quality, and any side effects for at least 2-4 weeks. Record time of dose and notable events. Consider cycling. Many users try 5 days on, 2 days off, or a 3-4 week continuous trial followed by a 1-week break to assess tolerance and benefit. After about 3-4 weeks, review your log and decide whether benefits justify continued use. Discontinue if no measurable improvement or if adverse effects outweigh gains, and consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.